Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create a professional table of content as you see here. If you see it helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. First, it's so important to introduce to you what is the heading 1, what's the title, what is heading 2, what's heading 3. You see here heading 1. It shows like this if you select it as heading 1. That's also heading 1. Board hole also heading 1. Freeboard design heading 1. We have subsection 3.1, it is heading 2. We have another subsection 3.11, it is heading 3. This one again is heading 1. This one again heading 1, heading 1. Now you have to know what's heading 1, what is heading 2, what is heading 3. After understanding the difference between headings, we are keep going to create a table. First, I delete this table. How we can delete it? From here, remove table of content. Good. Select this one as heading 1 here. This one heading 1 because the first one. This one also heading 1. Heading 1. But this one 3.1, it's subsection, so it is heading 2. 3.1.1, it is heading 3. Select heading 3. This one 4, there is no section 4.1, 4.2, so it's heading 1. 5, heading 1. Reference heading 1. For example, I make this one 5.1. It become heading 2. Now I selected it as heading 2. Good. Now it is finished. Just come back to a location. For example, I put table of content here. Put cursor here. Then from references, table of content. This is automatic table 1, automatic table 2. For example, I selected automatic table 2. Directly it inserted the table of content as you see here. You can select it home, bold or unbold. If I want to change any title, directly it updates itself. How we can do it? For example, I make this one introduction. Okay, just come to here. The point material, I change it to introduction. Click this table, then update entire table. You see directly it becomes introduction. That's all. Have a nice day.